Good morning. This is the second lesson from Key Concept 1 Target A. Your objective for today is I can simplify an expression using addition or subtraction to combine like terms. So let's define a couple of things here. First thing we want to define is like terms. So we talked about terms yesterday, and like terms are terms with the same variable and the same exponent. So something to keep in mind for this is that we're looking for the exact same lettered variable, and that we are looking for the exact same exponent number. So for example, if I have a to the power 3 and it has to be the same variable, which would be a, and it has to have the same exponent, 3. So let's say this was 5a to the power 3 and then 4a to the power 3. These are like terms. Same variables, a, same exponents, 3. So the 5 and the 4, the coefficients don't really matter here. They will matter when we talk about combining like terms. So to combine like terms is when you add or subtract like terms, which is what we defined right here. So I'll underline that. By using their coefficients. So the coefficients are going to tell you exactly what you need to add or subtract when it comes to combining like terms. And we will look at an example of that in just a moment. The last thing we need to talk about is standard form, which is kind of like your finished product here. After you combine like terms, you write it in standard form, which is an expression written in alphabetical order of variables and decreasing order of exponents. For example, if I had something that was like 3a to the power 3 plus 2a to the power 2 plus 8a to the power 4. Let's just throw something in here. Let's do minus 6b. So if you notice, the variables don't go in order. The variables are actually kind of, it's a, b, a. We want to put all the a's first, and specifically we want to put the a with the biggest exponent. So that will be 8a to the power 4 here. Let me go ahead and move this out to a different line. So 8a to the power 4 will go first. Then after the 4, the next biggest exponent is the 3. So 3a, that's positive, so plus 3a to the power 3. After that, the next biggest exponent is 2. And then we're all out of a's, so after a in the alphabet is b, so I'm going to do all my b. We only have one b variable, so this would be the standard form, and this is non-standard form. So this is grammatically correct when we write math equations. This is what you want to write whenever you have the chance to write a math equation. So this is part 1. Part 2, we will look at some examples.